Today's topic is general basic part of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is related to nomenclature of all organic compounds. We are now discussing the UPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbon part and all the functional groups related to the organic compounds. UPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbon mainly divided into three parts. First one, alkene, saturated hydrocarbon, CnH2n plus 2, alkene, unsaturated hydrocarbon, CnH2n, and next one, unsaturated hydrocarbon alkyne with triple bond, CnH2n minus 2. Mainly, all single bonded compounds are known as saturated. Why saturated? All the bonds are saturated by hydrogen. 1 sigma and 1 pi means double bond in alkene, 1 sigma and 2 pi in alkyne. Another topic is alicyclic aliphatic and another topic is aromatic. Aromatic mainly related to benzene type of system with 6 carbon atoms. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom with alternative double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. These are known as benzene satisfying aromatic character. Aromatic character means total number of pi electron satisfying 4n plus 2 Huckel's rule. Alicyclic means it forms a ring, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane. These are known as word root of the system. Word root of the system. Mainly 1 means meth, 2 means eth, 3 means prop, 4 means but, 5 means pent. And for alkane, these are ane, for alkene, these are ene, for alkyne, these are yne. Means after eth, in or ein. Now we are going to discuss different types of functional group attached to hydrocarbon and what is the nomenclature of that type of system. First one, which group is attached to carbon-carbon chain is known as alcohol or all. Aldehyde, it is known as Al. Carboxylic acid, COOH, known as oic acid. Ketone, CO, is known as one. O means only oxygen is there in between carbon. It is known as ether, alkoxyalkane. COOR, what is meant by R? R is another alkyl group. It is a star. Alkyl weight, CONH2, amide, COCl, acid chloride. If it is CO beer, then it is acid bromide, oil chloride or oil bromide. Halogen, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, halo. NH2 group is amine, known as also amine. COOCO, it is known as anhydride. Also weak anhydride. Weak is there, weak anhydride as nomenclature. Nitro group is always as prefix, means always substituent, as well as NO as a nitrosyl as substituent. Now we are going to discuss some examples of hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, alkyne with some branching or side chain. Branching or side chain. Branching or side chain. Branching or side chain. Branching or side chain is there also. First example 1 to 5. First one, starting with a long chain with double bond is here. Then starting from the numbering right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent means 5 carbon with double bond in. Next one, number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? From the left hand side to cover the methyl group very easily in the nearest point. Then side chain is SC, known as methyl, 2-methyl pentane. Next one, number 3, triple bond is here. Then you have to start from the left hand side covering all the carbon chain. 7 carbon means hept. 1 position starting point of triple bond means hept 2 ine. Next one, cyclohex 1 in. Why? 6 carbon means hex. Cyclo means ring covering the double bond. Always starting the numbering from covering the double bond. Covering the double bond for cyclo. Next example is 5. Covering the double bond, starting the numbering from the double bond and covering the double bond and bromine at the nearest point. Then 3 bromo cyclopent for 5 carbon and 1 in. Next one. Number 6 example, 2 bromo is here. Then you have to start numbering from the left hand side. 2,3 dibromo heptane. Why? 7 carbon is there. Then heptane. 2,3 because 2 bromo system derivative is here. Next one 7. 7,2 methyl is here and you have to cover the double bond. Then number 2 position is double bond. Number 2 position is double bond. Number 7 is 2 methyl group is here with double bond is here. Then you have to cover the double bond first from the left hand side. Also 2 methyl group at the nearest point. 2,3 dimethyl pent 2 in. 2 means starting point of the double bond. Pent means 5 carbon is here. Next one. Number 8. Double bond is here. You have to start from the double bond covering bromo and chloro position at the nearest. Why 3 bromo is first alphabet, B is first, 3 chloro next means C alphabet, cyclohex 1 in. Always you have to cover the double bond by always covering the double bond first, then only the substituent. Number 9. Number 9, 2 methyl group is here. Then you have to cover the methyl group first. There is no double bond or triple bond. Then from the left hand side, 2,2 dimethyl butane, 4 carbon is here. Number 10 is triple bond with 1 methyl, 3 methyl but 1 ine, because privileged factor is triple bond, not the methyl. Then you have to start the pointing of carbon from the left hand side. Next one. Next one is triple bond is here. Double bond is here. First one. Double bond is here with bromo and methyl. Then 6 bromo because alphabet is bromo first. 5 methyl. Hep3 in because double bond is here. Next one. 3,3 dichloro. Why? Starting from this point, covering the double bond and cyclohex 1 in. Cyclohex 1 in because double bond is here. Next one, it is a symmetrical part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then from the left hand side and from the right hand side, all are similar. From the left hand side, 2, 2, 5, 5. Tetramethyl. Why tetramethyl? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl groups are here. Hex because 6 carbon with 3 in. Next one. Cyclopent system with 2 double bond. 1 double bond means in, 2 double bond means di in. Then cyclopenta 1,3 di in. Always you have to put 1A when more than 1 double bond is there. Next one, ethyl group is here as substituent. It is ethyl group. ET, ethyl group is here. Then covering the double bond, number 3 position is ethyl cyclohexene. If you try to put 1, then cyclohex 1 in. Number 6 is 2 bromo is here, but first preference is double bond. Then 4 bromo 5 chloro. Alphabet is first for bromine and cyclohex 1 in. Cyclohexene. More and more example to cover all the examples. Next one, nitro. Number 2 position is nitro. Number 3 position is double bond. Then normal system 2 nitro, hex 3 in. 2 double bond is here. Then 3 bromo, 3 methyl, cyclohexa 1,4 di in. Why cyclohexa? Because cyclic system with 2 double bond. Next one, you have to first find out the C2H5, C2H5 group. What is the total number of carbon? Total number of carbon is 6, then hex. 3 ine. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then hex 3 ine. Number 4. 3,3 dibromo 4,4 dimethyl cyclopent 1 in. starting the number from this side and covering all the bromine and all methyl. Bromo in the nomenclature comes first due to alphabet and methyl in the second position. Number 5, 1,3-dibromo, because starting the point 1 and 3, then 1,3-dibromo alphabet first, 2,2-dimethyl and propane. Our last example in this class is 1,1-dibromo. When you start from the left hand side 1, 2, from the right hand side 1, 2, triple bond at the same position 2 but covering 2 bromine as substituent, then 1,1-dibromo butene. When you find out the triple bond at the same position from the left hand side and from the right hand side, you have to cover 2 bromine first. Thank you to all of you.